Hello, in this video, we will introduce operator precedence and associativity. Operator precedence and associativity determine the order in which operators are evaluated. Let's look at this expression here. The expression inside the parentheses is evaluated first, and then the multiplication from left to right, and after that, the addition and subtraction, and the last operator to evaluate is the greater. So this is the operator precedence chart. So the order of the execution in this order here. First is the unilateral plus and minus, and then the exponent operator, and not, multiply, divide, integer division, and the remainder operator, and the binary addition, subtraction, relational operator, equality checking, equal, not equal, and or, and this are the assignments operators. If operators with the same precedence are next to each other, their associativity determines the order of evaluation. All binary operators except the assignment operators are left associative. The assignment operators include the augmented assignment operator. So this is here. And you have this, all this operators, they're in the same order. So they're going to be executed from left to right. So this is left, this A minus B plus C, then minus D. Now, if you have the assignment operators, it's going to be from right to left. So please note that Python has its own way to evaluate an expression internally. The result of Python evaluation is the same as that of the corresponding arithmetic evaluation. That is all for this section on operator precedence and associativity. See you on the next video.